Hello everyone, my name is Shay Tobel with the Alliance of Crop, Soil, and Environmental Science Societies, and this is Down to Earth Science. Today, we're going to be talking about the most important crops in the world of agriculture, how they're grown, and the impacts they have on our country. Most crops in America are grown on family farms that stretch for hundreds of acres and are managed by machines to ease the labor. These farms spread across state lines and provide food to markets, grocery stores, and individual sellers all across the country. Our agricultural industry focuses on growing four main kinds of crop: food crops that we eat, feed crops for feeding livestock, fiber crops used for textiles, and finally fuel crops used for biodiesel and other forms of biofuel. Let's start with food crops. Most of the farmland in the United States is dominated by three crops: wheat, soy, and corn. Wheat flour goes into our bread and pasta, soy can be found in a lot of food products, and corn goes into countless foods we Americans eat. Other major vegetables include potatoes, lettuce, peppers, tomatoes, squash, sweet corn, and green beans. Feed crops such as alfalfa, hay, and straw are used to feed livestock, who either graze them or eat them in stored forages. Pastoral landscapes like these can do an amazing job of sequestering carbon, and manure can keep crops growing healthy and strong. Stored forages are preserved batches of harvested grass that farmers store away for the animals when they can't graze fresh pastures. Hay bales are a well-known type of stored forage, for example, and grain silos are often used to store these forages safely. Fiber crops are used to produce clothing and rope. Cotton is the most popular and commonly used kind in America, but there are plenty of others, including industrial hemp. Lastly, fuel crops have been a key component of our country's push towards energy independence. They get processed into ethanol and biodiesel, healthier alternatives to coal and oil, and are even given incentives in some states. Crops commonly used to make biofuels include sugarcane, sunflowers, soybean, palm, wheat, barley, rice, grain, sugar beets, corn stalks, and hay. Thank you all for tuning in. My name is Shay Tobel with the Alliance of Crop, Soil, and Environmental Science Societies, and this has been Down to Earth Science. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed.